Most expectant mothers love sharing the updates on their pregnancies with their loved ones on social media. However, influencer London Goheen is choosing to share her pregnancy with a different audience, with her sharing her pregnancy updates with her paid subscribers on OnlyFans. Hey, what's up everyone, it's Mackenzie here, and today on IO I'm going to be giving you the scoop on why this influencer has chosen to share her pregnancy with OnlyFans instead of Instagram or other social media platforms. London, who's 22 years old, is charging $9.99 for an OnlyFans subscription to share pictures of her baby bump with her followers. London shared the news of her pregnancy on September 1st on Instagram, and she's already uploaded tons of updates to her OnlyFans. Goheen, who has 520,000 followers on Instagram, is engaged to influencer Reese Hawkins, who some of you might already know as he was in a long-term relationship with fellow influencer Tammy Hembrow, who's 26. Hawkins and Hembrow also have 2 children together. London opened up that the reason that she's chosen to share updates with her pregnancy on OnlyFans is because her and her fiance have been bullied on Instagram for years. She told the Daily Mail Australia on Wednesday that she wanted to use OnlyFans as an escape from the hostility she's faced on Instagram, telling the Daily Mail, quote, "I've chosen to show detailed parts of my pregnancy on that platform because I've had to experience harassment and bullying for the last 2 years over my relationship with Reese." And I guess she thinks that through the gatekeeping of having to pay to view her content, she'll be able to share her updates with people who love and support her and won't give her any hate for her decisions. However, not everyone was supportive of this decision to charge on OnlyFans, as when she first announced she was going to be posting the pregnancy content off Instagram, many of her fans commented their disdain, with comments reading that they don't want to pay to see her pictures, and that doing so is a scam. Then other more supportive fans saying that they support the decision, but they won't actually be paying to see it either. And I think this is a really interesting case study for OnlyFans, because the consensus has been that OnlyFans is for explicit content. However, seeing other creators with different content offerings could be kind of a litmus test for everyone to see what kinds of things people will pay for online. And OnlyFans definitely supports this, as they've been open about wanting to diversify their image. So that's all for the story today. Let me know what you're thinking down below. I'd especially love to know how you feel about this idea. Would you subscribe to a creator's OnlyFans or Patreon to support them like this? For me personally, I don't pay for anything like that, but I have been tempted to for a podcast that I love, because I feel very connected to their content, and they offer a Patreon where they do more podcasts that are a little more intimate. But personally, I wouldn't pay money just for pictures. It would have to be some sort of video or audio content in my opinion. But now, before I head out, I'm going to shout out some comments from my video on Jacqueline Hill. So Ani said, "Jacqueline, stir the drama pot." Also Jacqueline, Pikachu shock face when people call her out, and then always respond with, "Taking a mental health break only to come back to sell something." You really just laid it out right there. She gets in drama and she's like, "Wait, what? Why am I in drama? Why are people mad at me?" And then she goes away or releases something and then comes back and releases something. That is the cycle of Jacqueline Hill. Then Emily Foster said, "But Jacqueline is promoting a pyramid scheme. Remember her Young Living essential oils?" What? No, I didn't hear about this. Did we know about this? I did not hear about that. And she wants to be praised for that? Yeah, no, that's interesting. And we all know how we feel about MLMs on this channel. Actually, someone new that I follow on Instagram from my high school just got into one, so I'm probably going to be unfollowing them really shortly. The Last Living Dragon said, "I can't believe that people are still treating lipstick like it was just problematic. That wasn't just a tone-deaf tweet or something. She put people's health in danger with contaminated makeup." Preach! That's what I said. I was like, she should be so lucky that she even has any fans at all. That she even has any platform with all the failed launches, all the mistakes that she's done, and just the danger that she's put her loving fans in. It's so crazy to me. Alright everyone, that's all from me. Thanks for sticking around if you made it all the way here, and be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and check out our playlist for more news stories just like this one, and I'll catch you all in the next one.